Simply Made Fancy tip of the week. I'm Ruth Angelina, and I'm gonna show you today how to make a quick bug spray. So here's what you'll need: witch hazel, tea tree, citronella, peppermint, and lavender. And as you can see, they're all Young Living essential oils. And you're also gonna need a glass spray bottle. And as you can see, this spray bottle is like halfway, and it's because we've been using it and I've been testing it out, and it completely works. It's been really working for my kids, so that's why I want to share this tip with you today. I'm gonna do 5 drops of tea tree, 10 drops of citronella, 5 drops of peppermint, and 5 drops of lavender. Now, with my little funnel, I'll fill up with the witch hazel. Now there you have it, and it's safe for your kids, and this bug spray works for ticks, flies, and mosquitoes, and you don't have to worry about any chemicals. All right, so we're ready to go out, so I'm putting the bug spray. No chemicals, super safe. Now we're ready to go out and play. Perfect for summer. And for this guy, I also spray on his beautiful curls so no bugs can hide in there.